Welcome to Salon. In today's video, we will be teaching you on how to style a high fade with a pompadour. First, we part the hair from the side. Then, using a size 10mm guard, we set up the upper guideline. Then, we use the naked clipper with a closed lever position to set up the lower guideline. A key point in this level is that the lower and the upper guidelines should move in parallel direction. Now, because we want a consistent length under the lower guideline, we will use a trimmer and then a shaver. Now we set the lever of the clipper to an open position and move 1 cm upwards from the lower guideline. Then we reset the lever to fade the line using an upwards flick motion. The changing density of the hair might require us to play around with the lever's position. Now we equip the 3mm guard and move upwards another centimeter and go around the head. For the next level, we switch to 1.5mm guard and closed lever position, and we fade the 3mm guard line. We can play around with the lever to help tidy up our work. With the 4.5mm guard, we will flick upwards towards the 10mm line. Now, with the 3mm and the lever open, we fade the 3mm line. Next, we will use a pair of short bladed and then a pair of texture scissors to clean up our fade. To style our pompadour, we will first blow dry the top of the head. And then we will use the chip technique, also known as point cutting, line by line, to style the hair. Now we style the hair into a pompadour. And voila! I hope that you find this video useful.